Welcome back to my channel, Life with Quan. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I want to welcome you here. Welcome home. I want to let you know that this is the Life of Quan, where we talk about that real life grind, everything that's real, everything about life, and everything about that grind. This is the home of the hustlers. We'll be getting up every day. We're shooting for them stars. We're aiming to reach success at a high level, because that's what it's all about. If you like this content, if you appreciate me for what I got to offer, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment. I do talk back to everyone out there. And if you feel that there's others that may enjoy this content as well, do me a favor and hit that share button. That share button is going to help me spread and get out there and continue to grow into the YouTube algorithm. We 2.5 months in, baby. Started from the ground up, growing this thing organically. Almost 2K subscribers already. Shouts to you guys. You guys are amazing. On that note, let's get into the video. What's up, YouTube? Peace and blessings to you all. It's your boy Quan. Y'all know what's up. Even on a Sunday, baby. Even on a Sunday, we got to get up and make it happen. Off to my first order of the day, man. A DoorDash order for 12 bucks. You know, it's going pretty far away. It's going like 12 miles. I usually don't accept orders like these, but, you know, I just wanted something to beat a blank, man, to get out the door. That's all I really wanted, was to get out the door. You know, it's 5:50 right now, and I got a 6:45 Walmart reservation, as usual, $23 plus the promotions. I'll get almost $30 for that. And let's get it, baby. Let's get it. You guys have a blessed day out there. I'm gonna go grab my order and make it happen. Once I get settled down or whatever, man, I'm gonna address a couple comments that I've been getting online here on this platform. So, you know, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I'm gonna talk about a couple things. Yes, sir. Let's go pick up this order, baby, from the diner right here.
Very welcome. Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Just like that, bada bing, bada boom. A lot of people be under the impression that the best time to get out here to do this work is during peak times, like lunchtime, dinner time, 5 o'clock, you know, things of that nature. And that's not always the case, man. That's not always the best time to get out here. And I'm showing you the reasons why. You know, you come out here at 12 o'clock lunch hour or 5 o'clock or something like that, man. For one, it's us. For when you're dealing with traffic and things of that nature, there's a lot of traffic out here during those times. And then for two, restaurants are a lot more busy during those hours as well. So getting out here early like this, you be in and out these restaurants. Trust me, especially if you know your location, you know what restaurant you're dealing with, man. You avoid all that wait time in the restaurants, and you avoid all the traffic on the road as well. Like right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm smooth selling, baby. I'm just smooth selling. Walk in the restaurant, grab my orders, and I go. And, you know, 1, 2, 3. So just a little word of advice to you guys. I'll tap back in once I get this order dropped off, though. It'll be time for me to make my way to Walmart for my first pickup of the day. I'm going to grab my coffee from Stewart's and head to Walmart, baby. So I'll see you guys in a minute. That order is dropped off just that fast. It is, what, 6:03? That order took about not even 15 minutes to complete, maybe. And I already hopped on another one. Like I said, I'll be ping-ponging these orders. I had someone drop in the comments and ask me yesterday, how do I make it happen without getting jammed up, basically, or deactivated from one of the apps or something. And just gotta have some finesse with it. Know your area. As I was like 2 minutes away from dropping this one off, an Uber order came through for 25 bucks, going from a gas station. It is going you know, almost 20 miles away or something, but it's all good because I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the bank, get it done before my 6:45 Walmart pickup. Alrighty, just like that, picked up my order from the gas station, man. All right, so that order is dropped off. It is now 6:28, which leaves me about 17 minutes to get to my Walmart. GPS has me getting there in 27 minutes, but no big deal. This order right here took me quite out the way to another town, but no big deal. So let's make our way to Walmart. It is now 6:55, and I just pulled up to the Walmart location here, as you can see. Waiting for my order to come. It's only 2 cars out here. They rocking and rolling, so mine should be right out, baby. Pulled up 10 minutes late, but it's all good. Uber Eats don't mind, because I was just finishing up another Uber Eats order. $25 order, 27 with the promotion. This one right here is $23 and change. I'll get the promotions as well for this one, so it'll be around 30. Off to a good start on this beautiful Sunday morning. We are expecting to have another nice day outside. Upper 60s, I believe. you know, so I've been enjoying the weather. It's good to have the windows open. It's like a breath of fresh air. So anyway, while I'm waiting for this order to come, I might as well discuss a couple comments that I received yesterday on one of my videos. You know, as always, I appreciate all the support. You know, you guys have been amazing and helping me grow this platform, steadily growing at a nice, consistent pace here. Over 1,800 subscribers now, man, and you know, I'm so thrilled by that. I'm so appreciative, and I can't express my gratitude enough to you guys. But on that note, along with the support, man, anything you do in life, man, it's also going to bring some type of hate and negativity along with it as well. You know, and that's kind of, from my understanding, how this YouTube platform works. You know, it's always a bunch of like trolls and stuff like that in the comment section, which is all good. You know, I don't mind it. Express your feelings. You know, it is what it is. You guys don't know me. I don't know you guys from a hole in the wall. So on that note, no big deal. But you know, I do want to say, you know, one of the comments that I read yesterday, it said something like, what did he say? You know, he was laughing like, LOL, the guy that only gets banging orders or something like that. Basically saying as if, you know, I give off the impression that I don't accept any bad orders, or, you know, I'm just getting nothing but these golden orders. And, you know, that couldn't be anything further from the truth. And honestly, you know, when I seen that comment, it really made me stop and think like, damn, you know, I really am doing something right here. I am really blessed by the opportunities that I have here, because not everybody has access to, you know, creative structure doing this gig work like I do. Being able to get out here and multi-app in my area, like, not everyone can multi-app. I live in New York, where we're extremely congested, so we're right on top of each other. So, you know, when I'm taking different apps and stuff, it's not too far out from each other. You know, it might be a couple miles away trip from drop-offs or something like that. So it just comes with some maneuvering in order for me to do that. Multi-apping, that is the purpose of why I do it, because it gives me more opportunities, more options, more orders are coming through that allow me to take the ones that align with, you know, my route or my structure or my routine, whatever I got going on. So this is how it makes it work for me. So when I seen that comment, you know, that's not the case. Never in a million years have I been one to, you know, sugarcoat anything or to just lie, kick little white lies or anything for that matter. I don't do anything but be 100% pure honest with you guys. You know, I post the screenshots. A lot of the times I always plan to, like, you know, screenshot the orders as they are coming through, so that way every order that I'm taking, I could just constantly show you guys. But, you know, sometimes it's so fast paced and I'm behind the wheel a lot of the time. So, you know, it don't even click my mind, and by the time I accept it, I forget, oh man, I want to screenshot that order. But that's why even when I do that, I still go and show you that order from my earnings tab and show you that I was actually paid the amount that I told you guys. So, you know, it's never a front, man. I'm an open book, like I said, nothing but transparency. I got nothing to hide from you guys. So, you know, I found light in that comment. That really let me know that you know, I'm doing the right thing out here. I am doing the right thing out here. And you know, another comment that I read, you know, that kind of rubbed me the wrong way was someone said, hey, look, I wake up at 4 a.m. too, but I make way more money or something like that. And you know, another one that was just like, you know, that's motivation. That I took that like as a good thing. I know you were trying to slight me, down me, as if, you know, I'm not doing much out here, but that's not the case, man. You got to humble yourself and know that it's always others doing better and it's always others doing worse, man. So just be humble. And then besides that, man, the last thing I'm trying to do out here is come off as some type of, you know, money guru or something like that, acting like I'm making all type of money or anything out here. That's not the purpose of, you know, me stating how much I make out here during that time of day. That is solely with the intention of bringing insight to the fact that, you know, it is possible to get out here and make a living, you know, to earn just like you were earning from a regular 9-to-5 job. Could be less, could be more, depending on where you are in life. It's all good, man. Like I said, man, I don't post that to act as if, you know, I'm making an extreme amount of money or not, because that's not the case, man. And I'm still struggling to get by, you know. I'm out here struggling, man. I'm out here struggling to get by. Life is hard. Never once did I give the impression as if I'm making some shit ton of money or anything like that, because Lord knows that's not the case, baby. But To each his own, though. Like I said, man, those negative comments are gonna come. I don't want to dwell on it too much, you know. I just figured I'd touch on it briefly with you guys, so we all on the same page here. So I figured I'll just address you guys here real quick and let it be known that I must be doing something right, man. When they start to talk about you, must be doing something right. But here's my order here. All right, just like that, we got the orders picked up. Just a little 2 orders, going a little nice little ride away to the country. It's all good. I'll have it done in about 20-25 minutes. Oh yeah, so I knew it was another comment that I wanted to touch on as well, man. I read a comment waking up this morning, checking my analytics, man. Somebody posted that I can't stand people that have to say peace out every time they finish saying something. It's such lame motherfuckers or something like that, to that matter, man. It's like, you know, I just had to laugh at that comment for real, because it's like, you know, it's a reality check on, you know, the type of mindset of some individuals that's out here in the world, man. And the world is a dangerous place. You know, how could you have hate in your heart? Or how could someone be lame or corny, whatever the fuck you had to say? How could someone be lame for wishing peace on others, man? You know, don't you want peace in life? I know I want peace in life, man. You know, like I don't get it, man. I don't get it, but you know, it's all good. It didn't affect me anything like that, but it's just like a reality check. Even through all the negative comments, I look for the positive in them. And every negative comment that, you know, has been received, I find a positive. I find a positive outlook into those comments. Remark about someone making much more money than me, waking up at this time, you know, obviously that's just the obvious, man. It's all good. And like I said, like I responded to that person. That's just motivation. That's just letting me know there's room for improvement, man. And that's what I'm striving for, looking for that improvement. So I'm trying to kick these doors open. So, you know, I appreciate you letting me know, you know, that there is better out there, because that's what my journey is all about, trying to find that route. So much respect to you for, you know, trying to belittle me, I believe. But like I said, man, that shit don't work with me, man. I'm too real for that. I'm too humbled. I'm too down to earth, and I appreciate all my blessings. Like I said, for me, if you understand my walk of life, then you would know it's a blessing to just be, for me to be alive, man. For me to be alive and to have my freedom. I could be dead or locked in a cage somewhere for all I know, man. I'm out here enjoying these times, getting up on my own terms, you know, with the grace of God. And I don't take that for granted at all. So, like I said, I just wanted to shine a little light on those negative comments, because we're going to quickly turn those into a positive. Thank you guys for the motivation and all that good stuff. And, you know, I watched one YouTuber speak on how, you know, when growing a YouTube channel, if you start to get comments like that, you know, that is really a good thing, because it's showing you that YouTube is pumping, the algorithm is pumping your video to new viewers, man. People that are not used to viewing your content or whatever are viewing it and you know, dropping their insights. So in all reality, this is a business. I don't want to get in front of as much people as possible in the most organic and authentic way as possible. That is my goal. I don't want to, you know, do shit for clout. I don't lie. I don't kick fairy tales. You know, if what I got to say and my content isn't marketable, if it don't reach people, then you know, God forbid, then I just probably won't be successful in YouTube, because I'm not gonna alter my character, my heart to you know, to chase a dollar or to chase a like or anything for that matter. That's just not me, baby. But on that note, let me tap in. I should be arriving to my drop-off location soon, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, first order's dropped off. Absolutely beautiful morning out here. Take a look at the view from the country. On the way to the second drop off, 8 minutes away. Let's get it, baby, let's get it. Time to hop online and see if I can find something else. Alrighty, second order is all done, baby, just like that, man. I really enjoy taking these rides out to the country sometime, man. It's like so peaceful out here. Man, I don't know if I could live in the country. I enjoy being out here, love the scenery and all that, but you know, it's so secluded and stuff, man. I don't know if I know how to survive out here, man. You gotta be prepared for all type of stuff, wilderness and things of that nature, man, and water supplies, and everything is just a little different out in the country, but I enjoy it. It's very therapeutic for me coming up in these parts, man, especially early in the morning. That's another reason why I like to work early in the morning, because it's therapeutic for me, man. Like I said, a lot of the times I'll be going to get my orders, complete my orders, man, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, man. No radio playing or anything. I just be in my thoughts, gathering my thoughts, getting my mind right, getting prepared for the day, getting a hold of my goals and things of that nature. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. All right, you guys, I'm right back with you, man. I decided to go ahead and take a break for a while, man. I don't know if I'm even honestly get back out there for the day. It's Sunday, man. It's starting to get dark out here. I guess it's we got some rain in the forecast for later. So one of those days where, you know, it'll be nice to just relax, man. Relax home with the kids, man. Get ready for some Sunday dinner. So probably make my way to the grocery store or something, figure out something to make for dinner for us tonight, man. Get the kids all bathed and ready for school in the morning, do some laundry. That's just the things I like to do on Sundays. You know, probably tap into my YouTube app. I've been enjoying the YouTube analytics app, paying attention to, you know, how this thing works. I'm still all new to this thing, so see how YouTube works. That's pretty much it, man. I just came out here this Sunday morning at 5:50, I believe it was, and just ended up finishing at around 7:50, 8 o'clock. So 2 hours worth of work. I was able to knock out $64 or something like that, $64 and change. You know, gas is on E now from yesterday, so I will be putting $20 in the tank. So that $60 earning comes down to 40 something. So which boils down to $20 an hour, some change thus far. But it's all good, man. Roll with the punches. The gas pays for itself now. Now I got a full tank. Now I have enough gas to get me through the day if I choose to get out here and work, or for tomorrow, whatever the case may be. No big deal, man. Got to take breaks. It's all about that work-life balance, and that's just me, man. I'm a family man, but you know. But as always, I hope you guys are doing just great out there. Hope everybody's in the best of health and spirits, man. Let's get up, man. It's Sunday. It's the Lord's Day. Let's thank God that we made it to that wake-up list. You know, let's get prepared for another productive week tomorrow. And yeah, man, let's put ourselves in position. Let's get out here and shoot for them stars, baby. We gotta shoot for them stars, because you wanna know why? You'll miss 100% of them shots you don't take. And when you shoot for them stars, even if you miss, man, you're still gonna land on the moon. And that's still out of this world, man. So go ahead and take them risks. Don't be afraid of failure. It's a lesson in every loss. Every failure comes with a great deal of value, of lessons to be learned. So yeah, man, we learn from our past experiences. We learn from other people's experiences, man, and I'm just shining light on some of my experiences to gain you guys some insight, and hopefully you guys appreciate what I got to drop for you. I try to keep it informative and simple as possible, to let it be known, man, I'm not doing anything that, you know, anyone else can out there do. It don't matter what you're doing in life. It could be gig work, it could be anything for that matter, man. You just have to, you know, make it beneficial for you, man. Align your life, your routine, your structure to you know, to accommodate your needs and your wants in life. So on that note, again, wish you all the best. See you next time.